Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to Fedora 39 virtual machine on Azure Cloud. Connect to portal.azure.com. This is the website. Then click on in the search resource services and docs search box. Then search for virtual machines. See, we have virtual machines. Click on this virtual machines service. See, at present I don't have any virtual machines. So to create virtual machine, we have to click on this create or click on this create. Both are same. Click on create, then select the Azure virtual machine. See here the subscription, I don't have the free trial subscription. So select the subscription that you have. Then resource group. If you want to create new resource group, click on create new. Otherwise select the existing resource group. Then provide the name for virtual machine. Here I am giving virtual machine name as Fedora 39. Then select the region. See, we have different regions. It is recommended to select your local region, but not mandatory. Okay. Then availability options, I am going to keep it as availability zone. Okay. Then next, availability zone. See, we have 3 zones. Suppose if you select zones, see, so it is going to create this. Okay, so I am going to create only in zone 1. Okay, so this is the virtual machine name. Then next, security type, I am going with standard. Then image, see, here we have to select the Fedora 39, but if you click on this drop down, we don't have the Fedora 39 image. So click on this see all images or click on see all images. Both are same. Click on it. See, if you are unable to find Fedora 39 here, then search here in the search marketplace. Fedora, hit enter. See, we have the Fedora 38, Fedora Linux 38, 39 and other images. Click on this Fedora 39. See, this is the overview. Close this one. Click on this select, then select the Fedora server 39. Click on this Fedora server 39. Then architecture is 64-bit. We want to run with Azure Spot discount, you have to check this box. Otherwise keep as it is. Then size. Size means number of vCPU cores and RAM. If you want to increase this vCPU and RAM, click on this drop down, then click on see all sizes. Then select the size based on your requirement. But for this demo purpose, I am going with one CPU, 3.5 gigabytes RAM and other options. If you want this one, you have to select it and click on the select. I am okay with the first one, then click on select. Then authentication type. See, we have 2 types, SSH and password. I am going with password. Then provide the username. I am giving username as demo user. Then provide the password. Password must be between 12 to 72 characters and it must contain one lowercase, one uppercase, one number and special character. Otherwise it will throw error. See. Then inbound port rules. The default allow selected is SSH, that is 22. You want 80 and 443, you have to select it. Then click on next. Here OS disk, that is hard disk, by default it has selected 20 gigabytes. I am changing it to 32 gigabytes. Based on the size, the charges will be changed. OS disk type, we have different disk types. I am going with standard. Here also based on the disk type, charges will be changed. See, suppose if you delete the VM, then you want to delete this OS disk, you have to select this one. If you unselect, if you delete the VM, this OS disk will be remaining in your Azure account. Okay, select it based on your requirement. If you have an existing disk, you have to click on this attach an existing one. Then next, networking. Again here, if you want to uncheck any one of these inbound ports, you can uncheck. RDP is for Windows. If you want to delete the public IP NEC when VM delete, you have to click on this one. See, this is the public IP. If you want to create new, you have to click on create new. If you don't want assign public IP, you have to select this none, but keep public IP. This is the virtual network. It will create. If you want to create new, you have to click on this one. This is the subnet range. Okay. Then click on management. I'm not going to change anything. Click on monitoring. Then click on advanced. If you want to provide any custom data or scripts for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. Otherwise, click on next. The tags, I'm not going to give any tags now. If you want to give tags, you can give the tags. Then click on review and create. And this is the summary. If you are okay with all these settings, you can click on create. If you want to modify anything, click on previous and modify and come forward. Then click on create. See, deployment is complete, and see here deployment succeeded. Click on go to resource or click on go to resource. If you want to create another virtual machine, you have to click on this one. Go to resource or simply go to home, then virtual machines. See here we have the one virtual machine. It is operating system Linux, and this is the public IP assigned to this virtual machine. Click on this virtual machine. If you want to hide this one, click on this button. Again, if you want to hide this one, click on this. See, this is the overview tab. See here, resource group name, status, zone, region, subscription type, subscription ID, availability zone, and operating system. It is Linux and it is Fedora 39. This is the size. This is the public IP, virtual network name, and this is the virtual machine properties, virtual machine details, and here network details, size, disks information, and others. Okay, and see here connect. If you want to connect, restart. If you want to restart the machine, you have to click on the, if you want to restart the virtual machine, you have to click on this one. If you want to stop, you have to click on the stop button. If you want to delete the virtual machine, you have to click on this delete button. If you want to refresh, you have to click on this refresh button. Okay, now we will see how to connect to Azure Fedora 39 virtual machine that is hosted on Azure. So copy this public IP address, then open putty. If you want to install putty, then install the putty, then paste the IP of this virtual machine public IP address, then click on open, click on accept, then provide the username. If you don't know username, click on connect, then click on connect. See, username is demo user, then provide the username as demo user, hit enter, then provide the password of this user which we have created. See, we have successfully connected Fedora 39. Now verify whether this is Fedora 39 or not. More /etc os-release. See, we have connected to Fedora Linux and its version is 39. Ctrl L to clear screen. Go to virtual machines. If you are not using this machine, then you have to select it and you have to click on the stop. If you are permanently not using, just click on this delete button, because Azure judges based on the usage. If you are using this Fedora virtual machine, keep as it is. Otherwise, stop or delete based on the your feature requirements. I have created this only for the demo purpose, so I am deleting it. Here we have to click on this apply force, then we have to give the delete, then click on delete. Again, for confirmation, you have to select the delete. So in this video, we have seen how to create and connect to Fedora 39 virtual machine in Azure Cloud. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.